If you're having trouble seeing comments on Instagram, try the simple solutions. First of all, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. And then after, simply launch your Instagram application, log into your account, and go through the comments post on your feed. After that, you need to update your Instagram app. Go to Play Store, click on the search bar at the top, type in Instagram, and once you find the app, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, tap on it to update it to its latest version available. Now, try refreshing the app. Close the Instagram application and then reopen it and refresh the entire content. Also check for restrictions. You might be temporarily blocked from commenting if you have posted too many comments in a short time or violated Instagram's rules. So you have to wait for 24 to 48 hours for the block to be lifted. And you can also ensure that your comment does not include offensive language, links, or hashtags which may be flagged as spam. Then after, you can try clearing the cache. For that, tap and hold the application, click on the eye icon in the top right corner, and then scroll down and go to storage, and then click on clear cache. Come back, also try disabling or force stopping this application and enable it again. And then you can also try reinstalling the Instagram. Uninstall the application completely from your device and reinstall it to fix any potential issues. After that, also try logging out of your Instagram account and re-log back in, and verify that the post that you're trying to comment on hasn't disabled any comments. Some users may restrict who can comment on their post, and you can also contact the Instagram support for the help and describe your issue. So by following the simple steps, you should be able to resolve the problem. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.